Yeah, Ron Marley, Deep Roots TV. Blessed love, Sid. Rastafari.
Breaking down the news, ladies and gentlemen, dancehall artist Silk Boss appears to be having a rough time, ladies and gentlemen, as the black man wish has been total. I'm Rastafari Soldier here of Deep Roots TV. Thank you for tuning in to the channel. Hit that red subscribe button. Build up the Rasta Man panel. Greetings, and salutations to all nation. Ladies and gentlemen, you know I'm Rastafari Soldier, your favorite Jamaican. I'm here on Deep Roots TV reporting all the news out of the island and worldwide. Big up on yourself, hit that red subscribe button. If you have not subscribed as yet, check it if it red. If it red, click it so it turn gray. That means you're subscribed. Now reported in the news, ladies and gentlemen, dancehall artist Silk Boss was allegedly involved in a motor vehicle accident with his newly purchased BMW. Where it happened? Green Pond, Montego Bay. Details surrounding the entertainer's condition are not known at this time, nor whether if it was him who were driving the vehicle. Based on the video posted on the line, the sorry artist earlier this month. The car was recently purchased in celebration of his achievement. What kind of achievement? After him cronies them allegedly betrayed him and physically assaulted him and stole over $1.4 million from him, he showcased a newly copped BMW to his fans in photos. But it's unfortunate at this time, the Silk Boss has lost his black man wish, the BMW. But don't worry yourself, Silk Boss, because me know you must have insurance on this brand new BMW, or the car salesman lose him job and lose a whole bunch of money. When you sell young youths nice car or any car, you have to make sure the car is fully insured. So all of the bad mind people them out there rejoice as Silk Boss go buy a new BMW because him crony them did a clown him a chat about say yo at them have you drive him around and him couldn't even put in gas in a the Honda Civic. No worry on yourself. Uno not gonna get no enjoyment. Cause me know say Silk Boss must have insurance on this. Uno remember when Beanie did buy him Hummer and crash it and forward again with the next one. Insurance at 2022. So ladies and gentlemen, you know I'm Rastafari Soldier speaking straight to you. Big up on yourself. I just forward offer a nice 30-day vacation in the hills of St. Elizabeth. So that's why you never see me. Because you know say me internet not up like that in the hills. But right now I'm back in the studio. Hit that red subscribe button. Share. Leave your comment. Ladies and gentlemen, let me know how I'm doing on the content. You are gone tea. But I'm just reporting that the sorry DJ, Silk Boss, on know the tune. Mommy, me sorry. Bury me heart in a valley. Mankind wicked and me. Okay. Big up on yourself. Unfortunately, he had an accident. The beamer when just buy off iTunes. Total. But me know him have insurance, so him soon roll out in a brand new one. A more life and a more joy. Leave your comment. I'm Rastafari Soldier. More life, more joy.
Hello, my name is